Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Sorry, what?
What are you doing?
Just prepping the yard, getting the plant, in the ground and everything.
The yard is low maintenance. You don't need the lawnmower.
Yeah, lawnmower might have been a stretch, but we're prepared.
Let's see the rest of the house. First time on the market in almost 80 years. Welcome to this captivating MacGregor, exuding timeless charm and modern comfort. Boasting a cherished history and contemporary updates, 533 27th Street is a must-see.